Noun groups. Imagine for a moment that you are going on a holiday trip. How much gear do you pack into your suitcase? I personally like to travel light, but some people manage to pack a lot of gear into their suitcase. When you pick it up, it feels very heavy and dense, but fortunately you have lots of useful items to take on your trip. A complex noun group is like a tightly packed suitcase that is stuffed with meaning. Noun groups are also called nominal groups, and they are an important feature of academic writing. Complex noun groups will help you to achieve a Band 7 in writing. Since I cover noun groups in detail in the English Functional Grammar course, I won't talk about the structure of the noun groups here. Instead, let's look at our paragraph about museums and identify some complex noun groups. All of the red words are complex noun groups. But what makes them complex? The answer is, they all have a post modifier. A post modifier is a prepositional phrase, often beginning with of, or a finite clause, often beginning with that, which comes after the main noun. The post modifier is part of the noun group, and it expands the noun group by adding definition or identification to it. For example, the fact that they contain knowledge about history is basically one big noun into which a lot of meaning has been packed. Complex noun groups, such as the one in the table, not only allow you to express a lot of meaning, but they also increase the grammatical complexity of your writing. We can join post-modifying clauses to the main noun using the word that. We can also form complex noun groups by adding a post-modifier. This grammar gives us the flexibility to do things such as evaluate ideas. We must also understand the need to choose the right noun group for the situation. Compare these two examples. There is very little difference in meaning between example 1 and 2, but example 3 sounds much more natural than example 4. Think about which noun group sounds most natural when you write.